What is going on with the S&P 500? Guys, we all heard the phrase "sell and may go away." Was that a valid phrase, or might it still become valid this month? In this video, guys, we just going to have a look at the S&P 500, not at any other chart. Yeah, we are going to look at a different chart which has to deal with the S&P 500. So just to have a look what's going on with the regular financial markets. As always, guys, before we are jumping into this valuable content, make sure that you scroll below this video, smash with that like button to keep the good mood right here on the channel and to keep the movement going, to keep the momentum. That is very much appreciated. Now let's jump straight into it. Generally, guys, I have to say, I think the regular financial markets hold on quite strong after a 1 year correction. So far we're actually trending up and it looks quite strong. However, in the shorter term time frame, it looks like we might losing some momentum right here, quite similar as we did with Bitcoin, and we could see a correction on the regular financial markets during the course of the next weeks and months ahead. So I'm going to show you which levels to watch, also which other chart this is basically confirming as well. So what we can see, first of all, we had quite a nice bounce from these lows. We actually have been calling this bounce, was very nice at the beginning of March. We have seen a nice bounce. We even traded back into this channel slightly, but right now you can see we are already trading back out of it. And as you can see, the S&P 500 is creating higher highs, while on the MACD we are seeing lower highs. This basically is a bearish divergence and shows us that the momentum right here for the S&P 500 is slowing down. Also, when we have a look at this specific chart, guys, we can basically see that the lows are becoming lower lows, while the latest one was kind of like a double bottom. While the relative strength index and MACD, they all form these higher lows. And if you don't know what this chart means, this chart is the VIX, it's the volatility index, and there's basically an inverse correlation between this chart and the S&P 500. So whenever this chart is going up, S&P 500 is going down, and whenever this chart is going down, the S&P 500 is going up, because when this chart goes up, the volatility increases, which means the price is going to go down. So what can we do right here and which levels to watch? I will tell you exactly quickly after our sponsor for today's video. This video is brought to you by the PrimeXBT exchange. The PrimeXBT exchange is a very unique exchange, as they are offering a crazy amount of trading pairs which you all can trade using Bitcoin as collateral. You can trade altcoins against Bitcoin, Forex, you can trade oil, the Dow Jones, gold and silver, all using Bitcoin as collateral. So if you like to trade more than cryptocurrencies and trade also commodities and indices, make sure to check out PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT has created a special bonus for our community. 7 users who registered with the affiliate link down below and made a deposit of a minimum $100 Tether will be airdropped another $200 to trade with. So guys, it looks like the S&P 500 is going to correct a little bit further right here. Which levels to watch? I think one very key level is the 200-day moving average. This level has been acting as resistance right here during this bear market, the last year 2022 bear market. Right now we are trending above this level, so I would like to see the S&P 500 to remain above this level decisively. So not like a fake out like we have seen right here where we break below but don't really get that retest. So that is something we don't want to see, like a break below, retest, and then surpass that low again. That would be very, very bearish. Guys, seasonality also plays often an important role in the regular financial markets. The summer, most of the time, is not the most exciting period what we are seeing on the regular financial markets, also in Bitcoin. So May, June might be a little bit more corrective, but I expect afterwards that Bitcoin and the regular financial markets together can continue this uptrend. If we have a look at the VIX, one thing we can look at it right here is that right now we are touching some resistance. The moment we break above that resistance on the daily time frame, retest that, of course, and we break that resistance also in the momentum indicators, then you can actually be quite sure that we are going to see a continuational dump in the S&P 500 and might even bring a opportunity to short from the levels right here to the 200-day moving average. Or another way to trade this is, of course, wait till that correction is finished, wait till the momentum indicators are at lower levels again, maybe we slightly go below the 200-day, and then at the moment we reclaim that level, that is the moment that you can open a long position again. Or whenever we are going to that 200-day and we form somewhat of a structure, sideways structure, then a breakout to the upside will be the ideal place to open your long position. That would look something like this. If I would just bring an example from a previous price action, if we were to zoom in right here, we can create a sideways structure, kind of a W formation, right? We have the support right here, the resistance right there. Maybe on a 1 hour time frame it's even better, but this is basically how you can spot reversal. So we are coming down into a key level. Here it was the 200-day moving average, which I will get rid of right now because we are looking at on the hourly time frame. We get a test of that horizontal resistance. We come back down, form a double bottom. The moment we break that horizontal resistance right here, that is the moment you want to open that long position, or you want to wait till you get that retest, and then you can open a long position with a stop loss maybe in the middle of the W formation. But if you really want to be safe, you put your stop loss below the W formation, and then you can ride that trend up. Like I said, I expect the S&P 500 to continue to trend up later this year. So guys, I would be very careful longing right now the S&P 500. I would definitely favor to wait till we have a correction, wait till the momentum indicators are a little bit more resetting, wait till the sentiment is a little bit more reset, and once we had a touch with one of these key levels, we can think about the structure and then think about opening a long again. But so far it looks like the momentum is slowing down. I expect a correction over the course over the next weeks, maybe months ahead. This will also coincide most likely with what we are seeing with Bitcoin. Guys, if you like this video, if you like that we are doing some different charts than only Bitcoin, make sure to drop a thumbs up. That is very much appreciated. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.